In this video, I'm going to show you how to check saved drafts on Facebook. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's open up the Facebook app here, and I'm going to show you several different options in terms of finding any of those drafts. Now, if you are creating a post and you wanted to see your draft, you just have to tap on what's on your mind at the very top, and you'll be able to see here's my draft that says, "Hi, how's your day?" I'll be able to continue editing it, I can delete it, I can publish it, whatever I want. Now if I tap X here, it will ask me, do I want to save the draft or discard it? Let's just hit Save Draft for right now. Now on here, there are a couple other options. You can tap the plus at the top right, and say, for instance, you're creating a reel. Tap on Reel here, and at the very top, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options for camera, music, and then right below it is Gallery, Saved, and Drafts. So tap on Drafts here, and if you had any drafts for Reels, if you started to create a video, they would be right in here, so that of course you could edit them, publish them, delete them, whatever you want. Now, a bit different to Armaldo's is Stories. Let's tap on Plus and Story. Now, there's no technical way to save a story as a draft. Let's, for instance, tap the camera at the top right and say I take a photo here. And if I hit the back arrow, it will give me the option to either discard it or keep editing. Now, if I hit discard, then it completely removes it from my phone. However, I could always tap the gear icon at the bottom left and then just hit save, and that will save that story to my device. So if you're trying to find a draft story, you can always check the gallery on your iPhone or Android or computer to see if that photo or video is saved in there. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.